70-mile-an-hour winds.
Uh-oh. That means tornadoes are coming and we are hitting a Coney Island.
Dude, that thing is wild. I'm not usually a fanboy over that is
wild. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. After a little bit of an excursion, a little extended break. It's been, what, 3 weeks since I've uploaded? So I've definitely been lacking. I've been quite a bit of a bum the last 3 weeks. Not really. I've been busy. As you guys know, I did move recently. Started a new job, which has been very demanding with my time. Should probably use my blinker. I've been averaging like 65 hours a week, training and doing some stuff for a career. A little career action, if you will. To be quite honest, it has taken up like 95% of my time. Don't get me wrong, like it's fun to work and try new things, but I haven't made a video. I haven't like recorded an actual video in forever. But today, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to a little Cars and Coffee on a gloomy Saturday morning. I'm not washing my car because I think it's gonna rain later as well. We're trying a bunch of new stuff. We're getting to learn all the places down here in Southeast Michigan. We'll update you guys when we get a little closer because I'm not quite sure what to expect. So we're gonna experience this together. We're also here with Jessica today. Uh-oh, we got some copyrighted music. These are cool though. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a treat because it's not in the frame right now. It's actually right over there. But beyond these Bentleys and Rolls, we actually have something that's very rare that I have not ever seen in person before.
So I had to take it in.
Sorry. There it is. Holy moly. The STO brand new. That is nuts. I was so distracted I didn't even see this Performante. Ah, a quick $349. You know you can get an Aventador for like $320, $340 right now?
Get a little tune, like stage one tune, wheels, it'd be a hot car.
So here's my pretty face in case y'all missed it for the last month with no content. But we're at a huge Cars and Coffee and I don't know, there's no coffee. That's what we were just searching for actually, but cool turnout. Saw an STO, saw a 720S. There's a sweet GT3 right up here, and I want to see that because one of my dream cars. Let's check it out. Yellow calipers with the yellow belts. Ooh, that is gorgeous. I love that. Yeah, a little splatter paint job on the Jeep. Interesting. Oh, here's another C7Z. They're like a deep gunmetal on the wheels too.
That's a cool car.
It reminds me of mine, except it has a little horse on it. For the exhaust, oh my goodness. Benz with a little 6.3. Carson, where are you at, man? Oh my goodness. The carbon wheels. Well, that's that car. That is so cool. Flexing it. There's literally a 720S right next to it, and all my attention is just going towards this STO. I mean, there's a Performante right there, and still, I'm just obsessed. That back end looks so sick. The dual exit exhaust like the SVJ. Ladies and gentlemen, a little 430 Spider in front of us. And then that GT3 that we saw earlier right behind us. I don't know if you can see it or not. I'm gonna put my phone down because if I get in a collision on either side, it's gonna be quite expensive. So yeah, not gonna do that. So this was actually just at our Cars and Coffee. That is patriotic. I'm just walking in the middle of the street. Whoops. We have decided to hit IKEA on the busiest day of the week. This is fun, and this is what I like to do in my free time now. With the loot, ladies and gentlemen, picking up some of the essentials and real cacti. These are not fake, like these Vegkas. Fun first half of the evening. Had to take a quick nap. And now it's round two, because we're going to Telegraph, in which 10,000 people responded that they were either interested in going to for a little annual cruise. Not quite sure what to expect. Probably gonna see a lot of classics, a lot of exotics. Honestly, just here for a fun time. Let's go see what's happening. They're out tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Just patrolling. We have found ourselves in Taylor, Michigan, and we're hoping to see some cool stuff. but I'll be honest, not sure what we're getting ourselves into. I think we're gonna stop at a big boy and just watch, like all these people are. There's literally, like, I have not had my phone out, but there are like hundreds of people just on the side of the road with like chairs just watching. So we're gonna join, we're gonna watch, and we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna bring you along with. How about that? Oh yeah, it's getting rowdy now, ladies and gents. And we got some good music. Let's go. Chilling out in front of the RVs.
Oh my god.
Let's go. They got a whole squad. This kid is having the time of his life. Yo, look at the Civic. The grill is popping out. Oh, there's a cop right here, bro. Oh my god. Are they getting? No way they're getting that Charger, right?
Did they know who it was?
I hope not.
Oh yeah, they do.
Oh no.
He dragged the e-brake.
Let's go. Okay, I see it. 2020 R8. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a bit of a tornado warning right where we are right now. So, I don't know. The content could be more cars, or it could be storm chasing.
Might be storm chasing.
Well, we might turn into storm chasing. Fun fact, that is what I wanted to do for a little bit when I was young. Dude, the wind is picking up.
Dude, it is actually.
Can you imagine we just hear tornado sirens? Oh boy. Our friends are back. Amazing. Oh, a GTR. He's silent.
No, he's not.
Look at
It's just smoke. I can't tell if it's the weather or if that's just tires. You know what I'm saying? Like, look at all this. It's just the entire way. Oh my goodness gracious. Ladies and gentlemen, this is unlike anything we've ever seen on the channel before. I hope you guys appreciate the content, because we are out here having fun. That looks like weather over there. Oh man, somebody check the radar. Peer pressure is one hell of a drug. So the weather is picking up quite fast. We gotta have a game plan for the chairs. We gotta scoop the chairs, bring them to the car, and I think we're just trying to wait it out, maybe get some food in the meantime, but...
I want to look at my doorbell
Oh my god.
Oh my god, it's pouring.
So it's about to all come here then?
Wow. Severe thunderstorm, 70-mile-an-hour winds. Oh my goodness. So ladies and gentlemen, we are taking a little break in the action because we're about to get hit with a monsoon, possible tornado. And the action just hasn't stopped here. I am breaking my neck turning, looking at whatever new burnout is happening, but holy cow. This is my first experience down here, and I must say, I'm thoroughly impressed. 70-mile-an-hour winds. I'm not even exaggerating. That's messed up.
I am praying that there's not hail damage at all.
Oh, I know. I just like there's trees everywhere. 70-mile-an-hour wind takes off trees, bro. And yeah, there were warnings like move your furniture to the, what did it say?
Indoors, lower level.
Yeah,
That is-
exterior furniture.
That is bonkers. The Triton V10.
It's a Ford badge.
The Triton V10 Dodge
a
Journey.
Ford badge.
Dang. I was in school for meteorology for a year, and I'm also colorblind, but that's a green sky, is it not? That means tornadoes are coming, and we are hitting a Coney Island.
We are getting Coney Island.
We are getting Coney Island.
I left my wallet in the car.
Of course you did.
I'll get it after the tornado.
Update for the folks at home. It is raining sideways, and we can no longer see if the tornado is down. There was a tornado down, and the destruction is massive. That is a house with its roof off. That is insane. Hope nobody's hurt, but we are chilling inside until this passes because this is no fun. No bueno for sure. Oh God, I hate this. I hate this so much. Look at this guy's tire. This is what I'm driving in. Guys, if the S5 is totaled, no, I'm good. I'm good. But we are leaving a wake. And I never thought I'd say that for a car. Oh, I gotta go
Look
right
at
in the
the
middle.
middle.
I gotta go right in the middle. Oh, and I gotta follow these people's wakes.
Oh my God.
This is bad. Yeah, I think there's a flood. I think there's a flood under the underpass. So they are directing traffic here. Ladies and gentlemen, the S5, we joked about it earlier, almost getting flooded, but I didn't record it because it was a bit concerning. We just went through like, I don't know, we went through a lot of water. And you could see like steam coming up from the engine because it was hot, and oh man, we came out for a fun night. We definitely had a fun night, don't get me wrong. But we were not expecting the kind of levels of like water we're seeing right now. I mean, highways are closed, just flash flood. I don't think we're gonna pass anything major on the way back, but we saw some big time damage to like gas stations and houses. Man, it's getting rough out here. We have finally made it to safety and dry land. That was a doozy. That drive back was not fun, let me tell you. We ended up having to do some evasive maneuvers to not get caught in a flash flood under an underpass. I'm not gonna say exactly what we did because it might get me in trouble, but we had to take some measures that are not normal under regular circumstances. But it was fun. We saw some shenanigans today. We definitely had a fun day. It was wild. There were tornadoes, there were Lambos, there were burnouts, I mean, it was just wild. And look, there's just cops chilling outside there. Like, speaking of cops, nobody cared today what happened. As long as like nobody was getting hurt, it was chaos. And I don't know. It was fun. So if you guys do enjoy this content, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you are new, and until next time, guys, we'll see ya.